Hey guys, my name's Hunter. I'm playing this game called Merge Cars. It's pretty fun. You have to merge cars to upgrade your cars. The minivan that you can see is the best car so far that I have. I have so much money. It's like, oh, pig. Always go for the pig car. Once you see it, just tap. And then as you see, the ones covered up, those are the ones that have been used up. The ones not covered up though, they are the ones you have left. Like right now, I have 3 left. So yeah. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna have to watch an ad to get a car. What the heck? Actually, I didn't put this. I didn't select this, and I can't skip it. So sorry, because I don't think they're allowed ads on the YouTube channel. So sorry. It's not my fault. I couldn't figure out how to skip it. Okay, I'm just there we go. Need that back. Get that back. Okay. Get that one back.
I gotta go. Hope you guys enjoy.
Awesome. So good. Oh look, what's better than Rain? This little thing, I don't know what it is. So right now I have 2 vehicles, because you moved them. Right now. So yeah. Right now this little blue car is the best car I have. And sorry for the other voices in the background. But that blue car is the best one I have. We'll get that pig, always get that pig, always get that pig, pig. What the heck? Oh, stupid ad showed up. Sorry, but I can't skip it. Because I don't think they're allowed ads on YouTube. So, yeah. And there's no skip button, y'all. So, sorry, but voice need to do this. I don't know what the skip button is. Oh, no, I don't want to leave out. Stop this lagging. I don't know why. Hey, Zane. Give me that pig. I'm not that mean on whenever I'm not making videos. What the fudge? No, I don't know what to do. Okay. My cousin Zane's getting a game. Ooh, this ad looks pretty cool. But I'm not gonna download it. That's just creepy. Okay. But well, Zane, I'm gonna video. So yeah, that's my cousin talking. He's a little bit of a weirdo. Saying,
my channel.
I only have to say that.
Also, DC3, go, like and subscribe. It's hashtag Z, hashtag
I think you're being a little too loud.
capital Z, capital C. Go, hit me up. Subscribe and like.
Sorry if he's being a little too loud.
You're doing good. I'm reading up this.
Oh yeah, sorry if my voice sounds like your baby voice.
No, you're young. You're on YouTube, bro.
Hey, it's a kid's channel. This is a kid. Okay, sorry that I said all this weird stuff in the kid channel. So yeah, the video is gonna have to end soon. So see you after I get this. And after I do this, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put it up here. And see y'all. Bye.